Welcome to Best Choice. The best HP LaserJet MFP M28w toner is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the crisp, professional output of your HP LaserJet MFP M28w printer, ensuring that every document, from important reports to everyday printouts, is rendered with sharp text and clear graphics, making it a crucial consideration for anyone looking to maximize their printer's performance and longevity. Number 5. HP 48A Black Toner Cartridge CF248A. Experience the reliability of original HP toner. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer, ensuring consistent quality and value. This cartridge is specifically designed for HP LaserJet Pro M15, M16, M28, and M29 series printers. Get the perfect fit for your device. Achieve approximately 1,000 pages with this black toner cartridge. Keep your printing going without interruption. Choose original HP toner to avoid messy toner leaks and premature equipment failures. Trust in genuine HP quality. Make a responsible choice for the environment. This cartridge is made with 100% recycled content, supporting sustainable printing practices. What we like. This is the original HP toner cartridge, ensuring the highest quality and reliability for your printer. It's made with recycled content, making it a sustainable choice. If you prioritize guaranteed performance and are looking for a brand you can trust, this is the cartridge for you. What people say. The HP LaserJet MFP M28w is a compact and affordable all-in-one printer that's perfect for small offices or home use. It offers print, scan, and copy functions, making it a versatile device. The printer boasts wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop without the need for cables. This feature is particularly convenient for shared workspaces. Setup is straightforward, and the HP Smart app provides an intuitive interface for managing print jobs and accessing printer features remotely. Number 4. Compatible Toner Cartridge Replacement for HP 48A CF248A, 2-pack. Get crisp, clear black text and images every time. This toner delivers professional quality prints for all your documents. This pack includes 2 black toner cartridges, offering excellent value. You'll have a replacement ready when you need it. Designed to work seamlessly with a range of HP LaserJet Pro printers. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your device. Each cartridge yields up to 1,000 pages at 5% coverage. This means fewer replacements and more printing for your business. Experience superior print results thanks to the refined toner powder. It ensures consistent, high-quality output page after page. Replacing your toner is simple and straightforward. Just unbox, install, and start printing with confidence. What we like. Get double the value with this 2-pack of compatible toner cartridges. They offer a high yield of 1,000 pages each and use refined toner powder for sharp, high-quality prints. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution and need a good quantity of toner for regular printing, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The HP LaserJet MFP M28w is a compact and versatile all-in-one printer, scanner, and copier. It offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from smartphones, tablets, and laptops with ease. The printer uses HP's original toner cartridges, ensuring crisp, clear prints and reliable performance. Number 3. E4 Ink 2PK CF248A Compatible Toner for HP 48A. Get a great value with this 2-pack of black toner cartridges. They are designed for high-quality printing, ensuring your documents look sharp and professional every time. These cartridges are compatible with a range of HP LaserJet Pro printers, including models like the M15, M28, M29, and MFP series. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing printer. Featuring an upgraded IC chip and improved structure, installation is a breeze. Your printer will easily detect these cartridges, so you can start printing right away without any hassle. Each cartridge offers an impressive page yield of 1,000 pages at 5% coverage on A4 paper. This means you can print more for longer, making it ideal for your daily printing needs. Experience cost-effective printing without compromising on quality. These cartridges provide a high-capacity solution for sharp printouts that are perfect for your printer, all at a lower cost. What we like. This compatible toner cartridge comes with an upgraded IC chip for easy installation and printer detection. It offers a high-quality printout at a more affordable price point. If you need a reliable compatible option that's hassle-free to use and want to save money without compromising on print quality, consider this one. What people say. The HP LaserJet MFP M28w is a compact and versatile all-in-one printer that can handle printing, scanning, and copying tasks. It features wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from your smartphone, tablet, or computer without the need for cables. The printer uses HP's original toner cartridges, which are designed to deliver crisp text and sharp graphics for professional-looking documents. Number 2. Colorking Compatible 48A High-Yield Black Toner, 2-pack. Introducing the Colorking Compatible 48A Toner Cartridge, designed for exceptional printing performance. This pack includes 2 high-yield black toner cartridges. Each cartridge can print up to 1,000 pages at 5% coverage. This ensures you get more prints from every cartridge. It's compatible with a wide range of HP LaserJet Pro MFP printers, including models like the M15W, M28w, and M29w. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing setup. Experience sharp text and crisp images with every print. Our toner delivers high-quality output without fading or leakage. Count on stable compatibility and consistent results. These cartridges are engineered for reliable performance, ensuring no streaks or imperfections. Replacing your toner is simple and straightforward. Just pop it in and continue printing with confidence. What we like. Experience high-performance printing with this compatible toner cartridge, designed for stable compatibility and to prevent issues like fading or leakage. It delivers sharp texts and crisp images. If you're looking for a compatible option that promises consistent, high-quality results and a clean printing experience, this is a great pick. What people say. It was super easy to install. Just remove the orange protective plastic and film and pop it right in, no force or weird maneuvering needed. I was also happy that the print quality was perfect from the first test page. The quality is just as good as the higher-priced versions, it's just as easy to install and remove, securely packaged, etc. The cartridges last my HP LaserJet Pro M15A printer for several months for our family. When the cartridge starts to get down on the toner, I am able to shake the cartridge a few times and get several more weeks out of them. Number 1. V4 Ink 4PK Compatible 48A Toner Cartridge. Introducing the V4 Ink 4PK Compatible 48A Toner Cartridge. This is a high-quality replacement designed for your HP printer. Featuring an upgraded IC chip and improved structure, it's incredibly easy to install. Your printer will detect it without any issues. This toner is compatible with a range of HP Pro M15, M16, MFP M28, and M29 series printers. Each cartridge offers an impressive page yield of up to 1,000 pages at 5% coverage. This ensures you can print more for longer. Get sharp, high-quality prints without breaking the bank. It's the perfect, cost-effective solution for your everyday printing needs. This package includes a 4-pack of black toner cartridges. They are designed to work perfectly with your compatible HP printer. What we like. Stock up and save with this 4-pack of compatible toner cartridges. It offers a great value bundle with an upgraded chip for easy installation and reliable performance. If you're a high-volume printer or simply want to ensure you always have toner on hand at the best possible price, this multipack is ideal. What people say. The HP LaserJet MFP M28w is a compact and versatile all-in-one printer that is perfect for small offices or home use. It offers excellent print quality, with sharp text and vibrant graphics, making it ideal for professional documents and presentations. The printer also features a range of convenient functions, including wireless printing, mobile printing, and scanning, all of which can be easily controlled through the HP Smart app. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.